G'day, how you going? I'm going to talk about the DJI original, the original one here. So this is the first one, Osmo Action, that came out. Is it any good in 2024? Yes, it is. Hey Jerry, not much has changed. The reason I only upgraded to the new one, well not the new one, this is the version 3, now there's a version bloody 4, was because of the horizon stabilization. Even if you turn the camera like that, that's the only reason I upgraded to the DJI Action 3. The DJI Action 4, Jerry, what's the difference? I don't know, I didn't bother with that. But the Action One, I still take this out, handheld, it's really awesome. It's really small, you can whip it out. Hey Jerry, that's what she said? Yeah. I went to the beach with Jerry. Hey Jerry. Yes. Now you're tired. The slow motion, I did that. That was unreal. I also took it into the bush, and what I did, I put it on top of here, like that, on my camera to give you a POV view style. Jerry, let's go. I can't see shit, Jerry. Where the hell are they? Too slow, Jerry. Hey? Too slow, Jerry. So just with the standard case, you don't need any Ulanzi cases or anything like that. That just goes in like that. I have one of these little fingermajigs, and that just screws onto one of these fingermajigs. So let's go like that, chuck it in, and then just slip it on. Two of those, one to screw down and one to screw up. And then you've got your little solution there too. There is another attachment called your Lanzi Thingamajig. Remember, this is for DJI Osmo Action One only. Hey Jerry, yeah. And that just gives you an added hot shoe. Like that. A light on top, microphone on top. Speaking of microphones, the sound, you need this little attachment. I've done videos about this, but like I'm saying, in 2024 it's still good. You can still use it. The attachments are still there. You can find them. So you need to take this off. That comes off. That's waterproof, so make sure that's always on when you go in the water. Just be careful with that. And then this microphone adapter by I can't never remember their name. You have to have the case, otherwise it doesn't fit properly. Click, and then that just goes into the back of there, and you can howdy Jerry, because this only accepts TRS. So just remember that, like that. That's pretty stupid, but it does the trick. You can do that and have your phone there like that. So anyway, it's good. It's a good little camera still, and it's pretty cheap. I don't know how much they go for now, but I mean, this is the very first one. The second one was useless, the Cube. Everyone reckons that was shit. The third one is probably the best for me anyway, and the fourth one, I don't even know why you need the fourth one. I think it's the bigger inch sensor. Jerry, can you do some research for me? He's sleeping. Tried to take some bird photos, absolutely useless. I end up just taking bloody photos of lizards. But the trip to the beach was awesome. The 3D, the slow motion was unreal. Hey Jerry, did you see the whippet? Did you see the whippet? You got jealous. The whippet can run really fast. Jerry can't run fast anymore. Alright, that's it. Bloody hot today, 40 degrees again. I think we just stay inside, Jerry, and put the air on.